Your joint tax refund disappeared. Then a letter arrived explaining that it paid a debt you never owed. That happens when one spouse owes past due child support, a defaulted student loan, state income tax, or a federal tax balance from before the marriage. The refund is joint. The debt is not. Injured spouse relief is the fix. It is claimed on Form 8379. Do not confuse it with innocent spouse relief. Innocent spouse relief removes your liability for tax your spouse understated. Injured spouse relief does not dispute the tax at all. It simply returns your share of the refund. Here is the part almost no one explains. How is your share actually calculated? The allocation is made as if each of you had filed a separate return. Wages go to the spouse who earned them. Federal withholding follows the Forms W-2 and 1099 that show it. Self-employment tax goes to the spouse who earned that income. Credits for a child follow the spouse who would have claimed that child. The basic standard deduction is simply split in half, one half to each spouse. You do not allocate the earned income credit. The IRS does that one, based on each spouse's earned income. In fact, the IRS computes the entire refund. You supply the allocation. Now the exception that changes everything. If you live in a community property state, and there are 9 of them, the ordinary rules do not control. Generally, 50% of a joint overpayment is applied to the non-federal debt, no matter which spouse earned the income. Timing. About 8 weeks when Form 8379 is filed by itself. Longer when it is filed with the return. And the deadline. 3 years from the due date of the original return, including extensions, or 2 years from when the tax was paid, whichever is later. File one for each year that was affected. Outcomes depend on your specific facts. Tax expert today.